So he has a picture of a clock tower at about 20 miles at Barrow-in-Furness, and it's just a picture of a clock. Now, as a flat earther, I look at this picture and say, clock at 20 miles. That's the end of my explanation. As a flat earther, I can make that statement. I'll say it again. Clock at 20 miles. Now, if you're a fundamentalist religious zealot, then that's not a clock at 20 miles. That would be a slightly looming, non-standard refraction hyena holographic projection of a clock from behind the reified edge of a sphere based on an R value and a begging the question proof of nothing perspective hijacking curve calculator to turn a clock which seems to be there into a clock which is not actually there. That's what you have to assert if you're a globehead. So it's not a clock, it's a holographic projection of a clock from behind the reified edge of an Earth curve based on a begging the question proof of nothing perspective hijacking curve calculator. As opposed to me, that's a globehead explanation. I say clock, 20 miles.
You're the man, Nath. You are the man.
You're supposed to be proving it's blocking shit in the distance. Maybe you'd like to tell us about why these wind turbines are blocked from Earth curve, like we've had an argument specifically with you about. You telling us that the edge on screen is actually blocking the bottom of the wind turbines because it's a physical edge. Now you're telling me it changes with weather? Don't you understand geometry?
Can you show me the footage?
Don't you understand geometry?
Can you show me the footage?
Don't you understand geometry? Don't you understand geometry?
Stop arguing against walls, dude.
Don't you understand geometry? You stupid retard.
I'm not the one claiming that.
You're the one with the globe that's got geometry. You are claiming that. You're a globe head.
No, no, no.
Yeah. You've got a physical sphere edge. We have a not actual position where the sky appears to meet the ground. You have a physical geometry that it must adhere to. Don't tell me no. Yes. Your sphere's been debunked because it doesn't have a physical edge. Doesn't have physical geometry that you're measuring based on radius. It's debunked. Earth not a sphere. You saying it's a not actual location is our argument, you moron.
I'm telling you no, regarding the understanding of geometry. I'm not the one claiming that spheres have edges.
Oh, really? Well, what's blocking the bottom of the boat then, you fucktard? Not a sphere edge that's blocking the bottom of the boat. Not a sphere edge that you have argued blocks the bottom of the wind turbines. You've argued that. Do you want me to go and dig it out and then put this next to it while you're telling me spheres don't have edges? Well, you have come here and argued for a sphere edge. You, personally.
I never argued for it.
Yeah, you fucking did, you lying sack of shit. You've come here and argued that we've got an edge that's blocking turbines. You liar.
I don't recall.
I don't give a shit what you recall. My memory's not fucking hazy. You have argued for a sphere edge. Now you're using our argument like it's a not actual location. Yeah? You've argued that it blocks boats, turbines and buildings in the distance. You personally.
Spheres don't have edges, Nate.
Yeah, fucking do, according to your geometry. Don't you understand geometry?
Do you know?
Do you not understand geometry? You're saying it's not got an edge. That apparently, according to your model, blocks buildings and boats go over and can be seen from certain altitudes. That's an edge. Don't you understand geometry, moron?
Yeah, it's not a straw man.
It is a straw man. You are straw man.
It's a geometric horizon, retard.
You are fucking straw man.
Yeah, he's a shit for brains that doesn't understand geometry. The amount of times that globeheads have come here whilst telling me about the physical edge and telling me I don't understand geometry, now they're denying their own geometry of their own religion.
Yeah, they got to.
Yeah, they have
to. Zinder's a full-on retard, man.
Well, let's ask him straight up right now on air. Zinder, what causes boats to disappear at the horizon? What causes that?
Oh, now you unmute me, right? Now you unmute me when it fits you, fucking...
Now you can appeal to format or answer his fucking question, you dumb shit. We're asking you about geometry, something that we're charged with not understanding. Now you're denying your own physicality based on its geometry. He's asking you about that, and you're appealing to being muted.
It's not appealing, you muted me when
Yeah, you can fuck right off. You're not answering, you're distracting. You pathetic little weasel.
Let me answer it again.
We will go back.
Zinder, what causes the boats to disappear over the horizon?
what causes them, like mist or things in the way or
Listen
anything.
to this idiot.
So not a sphere edge then. So the sphere that you think you live on's not blocking them then anymore. So we can just dispense with that stupid shitty argument that a physical sphere edge is blocking the boats. Because you don't believe that anymore, right, Cinder?
There is no fucking edge on a sphere.
Right, so that's our argument. Yeah, you're right, there is no physical sphere edge, we're not on a physical sphere. That's our argument, you
Well,
dipshit.
No, we are. We are on a sphere.
Oh, what's blocking the bottom of the boats then?
Look, he's a retard, man.
What's blocking the bottom of the
But there
boats
is
then,
no-
dipshit?
Several things,
What?
like
Haze? And not actual location? Is that what's blocking them?
location.
You said haze. Why is the boats disappearing? Haze, weather. So not a sphere edge.
No edges.
So it's not being blocked by a sphere as claimed by your model then. Welcome to Flat Earth, Cinder.
No. It's,
Yes. You've just said it's not a sphere edge blocking it and you don't have a sphere edge on your sphere. Yeah, you do. You don't understand geometry. Yeah, it should. It's supposed to be a physical edge. No, it's not. We're not on a sphere. End of argument.
My sphere.
My stuttering twattery.
It's another death knell. I mean, they can't get. The beauty of it is they can't get out of those horizon, the horizon distances. There's no argument against it. It's a really short argument. It's really simple, and it's devastating. So, I don't know what you can do. These people are getting exposed. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe listen to some Skinner to ease your pain.